Hi, my name is Jennifer and I'm your teacher here at Next Step English. One of you recently commented on our Twitter page about the pronunciation of the word scheme. So I decided to make a video for you about the SCH sound at the beginning of English words. Is it ska or is it sha? I'm an American English speaker, so this video is specifically to help you with American English pronunciation. Some of the words will be pronounced differently in British English. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe below. I'm just getting started here on YouTube and I'd really appreciate the support. Thank you! Alright, let's get started! One of the most difficult things for English learners is that the same combination of letters can result in different pronunciations. SCH has two possible sounds at the beginnings of English words: ska or sh. School or schlep. School has the ska sound and schlep has the sh sound. Let's take a look at each of these possibilities in a little more detail. Come on! Because this video is focused on pronunciation and not vocabulary, I'm not going to be defining each of the words here. But if you're curious about what they mean, click below, and I have a link to the blog post accompanying this video, and there are definitions in the blog post. First, let's talk about words that begin with the ska sound. Words pronounced like school typically come into English from Greek, Latin, or Italian. Schedule, schedule. Scheme, scheme. Schematic, schematic. Schism, schism. Schizophrenic, schizophrenic.
So you take me for what I am? A psychopathic, schizophrenic, serial-killing femme fatale?
Forgive and forget, that's what I say. Cook it up.
School, school. I love school. Scholar, scholar. All of those words came into English from Greek or Latin. Let's take a look at a musical term that English borrowed from Italian that also begins with the ska sound. Scherzo, scherzo. And I have one last word for you that starts with a ska sound, and it actually comes from Dutch. Schooner, schooner. This is a type of ship.
We like sailing.
Yes, we sail as a pair.
We've got a schooner down at the marina.
A schooner in the marina. That's marvelous.
Now let's take a look at a few of the words that begin with the sh sound. SCH words that take the sh sound usually come into English from German, Russian, or my personal favorite, Yiddish. Let's start by looking at some of the Yiddish words that English has adopted. Schlemiel, schlemiel. Schlemazel, schlemazel. Schlep, schlep.
Ever schlepp marble? You ought to try schlepping marble one day. It's a schlep.
Schmaltzy, schmaltzy. Schmear, schmear. Schmo, schmo. schmooze, schmooze, schmuck, schmuck. And no, you don't need to say it with that face. Schnoz, schnoz. From German, we have a few more words. Schwa, schwa. As an English learner, you may have heard that word. It's the name we give to a common vowel sound in spoken English. Schadenfreude, schadenfreude. Schnapps, schnapps. Schnauzer, schnauzer. Schnitzel, schnitzel. Some common surnames that begin with SCH also take this sh pronunciation in English. Schiller, Schiller. Schmidt, Schmidt. Schopenhauer, Schopenhauer.
Schopenhauer was right, wouldn't you say? Life without pain has no meaning. Gentlemen, I wish to give your lives meaning.
Shriner, Shriner. Schubert, Schubert. Schultz, Schultz. Schwarzenegger, Schwarzenegger. And last but not least, we have the name of the famous storyteller from the 1001 Nights, Scheherazade. Scheherazade. So, are you ready for a quiz? I'm going to quiz you on 10 words. I'll put up each word one at a time and allow a pause after the word for you to pronounce it out loud. Does it begin with ska or sha? After each pause, I will say the correct American English pronunciation of the word. After the quiz, let us know how you did in the comments. I'd love to hear. Scheme, schlep, schmuck, scholar, Scheherazade, schooner, schnitzel, schism, Schubert, scherzo. Thank you so much for making Next Step English part of your journey to learn English online. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!